Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to change the pitch or the output sample rate of a video or an audio file in native Android application using Media 3 transformer. Also we will be checking about how to apply the silence skipping audio processor to any audio or video file. Let's see the output first. So I'll just remove this. Okay, I'll just run my application. I'm not sure why my application is not getting displayed. Okay, where is my application? I'll just remove this. Okay, here, running device. So here I have one video. Again, you can use an audio file as well. It doesn't really matter. I have this video. I have just paused it. It is loading from a network URL, and here I will just click on this convert button, and I will, with the help of this convert button, for the first output I am setting the pitch as 2f and output sample rate as 48,000. You can change it to whatever you feel like. I'll click on convert. Now here it asks me for the permission first. The permission is for saving the video or audio file to external storage. Once the processing is done. Again, for the transformation you don't require permission. This is only for saving file to external storage. So I'll go to my app. I'll give it the permission which it needs. I will toggle this checkbox. So this is the manage external storage permission, which is a new thing in newer Android devices. For older we still require read write external storage permission. I'll go back to my app, and here you can see that it is displaying the progress bar, and the transformation happens on a background thread, so you don't have to worry about your app getting janky or anything. Here I am doing it, I'm mirroring my device, so you might feel a little bit of jank, but in reality there is no jank. Also inside Logcat I am displaying the progress, so I'll just show you. Okay, I'll click on over here, and here you can see, ignore the 2 at the very start, this 40, 44, this is the progress for change for the output. And here you can see, okay, so I won't be able to, you won't be able to hear it, but trust me, it works. Also here you might be thinking why this is going only till 49, not up to 100. Even I am not sure, maybe because I have added a 500 seconds delay. So here you can see that I will come back to the code, but here I have added a 500 milliseconds delay, sorry. So maybe because of that, but here you can check for this as well. This is a progress state, which I will also come back to in a bit. Okay, so this is for changing the set pitch as well as output sample rate. Okay, then there is something called silence skipping audio processor. Now I am not truly sure what it means, but according to me, I think it removes audio from your video or your audio file, but there are some portions of the audio which are not getting removed. So I do hear little bit of audio, but I'm not really sure what this silence skipping audio processor means. If you know, do let me know in the comments. So here I have the original video playing. I'll click on convert, so it starts the processing. Again, if you want to track the progress, you can go to Logcat, and okay, it is still showing 0. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not sure. This works pretty fine when I did previous videos. Okay, so here you can see it directly jumped to 22. I don't know why. Then direct to 31, 34. Anyways, so let's see the output first. Again, I won't be able to make it hear it to you guys because this is a silence skipping audio processor, but trust me on this, it works fine. So this is for the output. The next output which I want to show it to you is, I have also created one more activity, and in that activity what I will do is I will pick a video. I'm just picking a video file, but you can pick an audio file as well, and I'll just show it to you as well. Okay, I have not added this. I'll just add this .second activity. Okay, and I'll make this exported as true. Like, I didn't create a new activity, I just created a Kotlin file as well as an layout file. That's why I didn't add it inside the Android manifest. Okay, so this is my second activity, and let me just check. and here I am just adding this silence skipping audio processor. Okay, now the time it takes for your audio processing depends on how big your video or audio file is, so be patient. So yeah, I'll just stop this. Okay, and here you can see I have this pick video button, but here you can, instead of video, you can pick audio as well. I'll pick it, and here you can see that these two files were saved from our previous output. So I'll just pick the last file, which is almost 10 minutes long, and it will start playing. Like this is the original video, it will plays, and I'll just stop it for now. I'll click on convert, and this will take a little bit of time because this is 10-minute long video, and you can see the progress state changes from 1 to, and at the end it changes to 0 as well. So even if it is not going to 100, you can check if the progress state is 0, that means the progress has been completed. So anyways, let's get started. I'll show the output once this is done, because this will take a little bit of time. So I have created a native Android application, and I'm using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. The next thing is you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and here I have added these three libraries: Exoplayer, UI, and HLS for playing the video or audio file, and this transformer, effect, and common for doing the transformation. Then we have to reference this file inside libs.versions.toml. So I have added the number of media, what is the library version, and I have also referenced this over here. So this is what we can see. So this is a new thing in Android Studio Iguana. Yeah, and then you will just have to click on sync now. Once you do that, you go to Android manifest, and here I have added internet permission. Now this is for playing audio or video files which are stored on some server. So in the first output I was loading file from my server, that's why internet permission is required. Oh, sorry. And this read write external storage permission is required for older Android devices, and for newer Android devices, for storing file to external storage, we require this manage external storage permission. Okay. The next thing which we have to do is we'll have to go to activity_main, and here inside activity_main I have just taken one player view. Okay, let me just check this. Okay, sorry, inside activity_main I have taken one player view for displaying the original video, then the second player view for displaying the output video, then one button for doing the conversion, and one progress bar to indicate to the user, okay, the conversion is happening. Next, inside go to main activity, and here you can see I'm first extending transformer.listener. I have created two Exoplayers, two player views, and one progress bar. Taken one file name, playback position is 0, play when ready is true, one for transformer and one for file, and this is the video URL. So this is from where we are loading our file. This is the URL from which we are loading our file from external server. Okay, for second video, like the output which I was showing you, I'm getting some error. I don't know why. It is showing that some, I think this is too big of a video, like mux timeout, something like that I'm getting. I don't know why. Anyways, I'll just keep this open so that you guys can also have a look. And here by the time I'll explain the code, and here I have created one handler and progress holder as well, so that we can track the progress. For older Android version, we require read write external storage permission, and for over here, so we are requesting for multiple permissions. So because we have this read write external storage, if permission is given, we call setup transformer, and for newer Android device, we have to use this manage external storage permission, and if that is given, we call setup transformer. And this is the code. First, here you can see the error. I'm not really sure why this is happening. Maybe because of the video. What I'll do is I'll come back to this code in a bit. Meanwhile, I'll remove this silence skipping, and maybe I'll try to apply this sonic audio processor. Coming back to our code, so here this is how you request for the external storage permission on newer Android device. So it launches the settings app, and this is I have written this as an helper code for managing external storage. So I'll just pick this video for now. Sorry about going back and forth between code and the output. Okay, it has started playing the video, and I'll just click on convert. hopefully it should work at least for the sonic audio processor. So here is a helper method to check whether the manage external storage permission was given or not. Here we are initializing our progress bar, input player as well as output player, and on button click we are just calling request transformer permission. Here we are initializing our input player, initializing our output player, releasing our player. On start we are initializing input player, on stop we are releasing our player, and on resume we are resuming our input player. On pause we are pausing our input player. Here inside on pause maybe you can add one more check to see if the output player is has a video, then you can stop that as well maybe. And inside on destroy we are releasing our player. So here we are requesting for transformer permission. If permission is given we call setup transformer, and inside setup transformer if the output player is playing some video we just pause it for now, and then we just call transform video. Inside transform video we first show our progress bar. Here I have created an array list, and here this is only for video effects. So if you are applying some video effect you can add to this array list if you want to. have already made few videos on that, how to do some kind of video processing, lot of videos actually. And this processor is for audio, so if you want to change pitch, sample rate, you can uncomment this. You can apply both of this simultaneously, but I don't know which effect would take place because this is silencing and this is changing the pitch. But anyways, so choose whatever you feel like and just add it to our processor. And here we are just creating our transformer, creating an input media item, editing our media item. And here as you can see we are passing this, the first parameter is for audio, second is for video, so we are passing an empty list over here. We are creating external file, starting our transformer, and here we are starting like tracking our progress. So the progress state which you are seeing 0, 1 and 2, it actually corresponds to this variable. So for 0 it is progress state not started, for 1 it is progress state waiting availability, for 2 it is progress state available. So similarly even if the progress does not reach 100, you can use this progress states to track what exactly is happening. And this is for actual progress. And inside handler.post delay I have had here you can see we are just tracking the progress. This is for storing file to external, creating file in external file, and this is for storing the file to external storage. Now I have copy pasted the code from online. Instead of video, if you are using audio, change it to audio/mp3 over here and over here as well. And this only works on API HDK 29 and above. If you want to save it to below HDK 29, you might follow my video on how to save file to downloads directory. Here we are not saving file to download directory, we are saving it to a DCIM folder, which is the recommended approach from Android for saving videos as well as audios. And here we are overriding two methods, on completed and on error. So on completed means success, so we are displaying our output player, initializing it, saving file to external storage, hiding our progress bar. On error we are hiding output player as well as progress bar and displaying a toast message. Now coming back to second activity, the code is exactly the same, so I won't explain in detail. I will only show you the video picker code. You can change it to audio picker as well. So here I have one button for picking video, but make it audio if you feel like. Input player, output player, button to convert, one progress bar. Same thing, transformer.listener, exactly the same code which we have written inside main activity, but here we don't have the video URL. We will only get once we call this method launch new video picker, and instead here I have taken video only, but you can set it as audio only, I guess. Okay, audio only is not supported. What does it supports? Video only. But I do have a video on how to pick audio files. Maybe you can check that instead of this. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but yeah, you can check that video on how I thought audio only is also directly supported. But anyways, here we will get the URI once the video or audio is picked, and we just assign it to our video URL and initialize our input player and resume it. Rest everything is same. So this is same, this is same, this part is same, this part is same, this is also same, this is same thing, same thing, same, and here you can apply whatever you feel like, either sonic audio processor or silence skipping. Creating our transformer, editing media item, starting our transformer, handling progress state, creating external file, saving file to external storage, then on completed and on error. So yeah, exactly the same. Coming back to her output, yeah, it is still on 83%. Just wanted to show it to you, this stuff. 86. So as you can see, given that this was a big video, it was a 10-minute long video, that's why the processing is taking a little bit of time. Just a little more. 95, 96, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay, so it has completed. It didn't reach 100, but here you can see the progress rate has got to 0. And if I show you the output, here you can see the second video is also playing. Now if I click on pick video, here you should see 4 videos are been displayed, because this new video has also been saved. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.